This is just a quick review of the SKU 2254 adapter plate kit. The kit itself comes with the adapter plate, and the adapter plate was designed specifically to reuse the dowels in the back of the Volkswagen engine, as well as the dowels for the transmission. And there are two locations on top that are milled out to clear the fastener for the cooling tube, and then where the corner of the tube touches the plate. You can also remove that bolt later on if you have to get that tube off. Part of the kit is the crank spacer adapter, has the bearing built in. There are 6 brand new Volkswagen bolts supplied. There are 4 12mm socket head screws for the recessed locations on the adapter plate, and one that goes in a single 50mm bolt in from the back of the engine into the adapter plate. There are 4 12mm bolts and washers for the belt housing, and 3 additional 10mm bolts and washers for the belt housing, and a starter spacer.